By the time I got to the station, the train blank. I missed the ride. Left is living, had left, will have left. Dito merong got, which is past. May missed then, which is past. So baka mamaya automatic ang isagot left, which is past, para parallel sila. Pero analyze natin mabuti yung sentence na to. Sabi dyan, by the time I got. So itong by the time, ibig sabihin yan before the time you got there. And then sabi dito, you missed the ride. Ibig sabihin, nakaalis na dito yung train, kaya na-miss mo yung ride na yon. Hindi ka nakasakay sa train na yon. That said, yung pag-alis ng train ay nauna kesa dun sa naka-arrive ka sa station. Ito, nangyari prior to this one. Kaya nga na-miss mo yung ride, diba? So, since this one happened prior to another past action, nagamit tayo ng past perfect. Again, perfect meaning prior, so prior to past. Ito muna, bago ito. Nakaalis na muna yung tren bago ka nakarating sa station. Had plus past participle ng main verb, had left. By the time I got to the station, the train had left. I missed the ride.